Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. Today's video is very special. Why? Because I am inside my house and I think you all should be inside your house. Do something or the other, keep yourself busy, watch my video for recommendations that what you can do when you are under lockdown at home and make the best use of this time. Today we are going to talk about renovation, about new things from old things and DIY. This is going to be a very interesting video for all you creative minds out there and all you lazy people out there also who wanted to do something but never thought of it because of lack of time. So now is the time. You have the time, go do it and make those changes possible. Like me and Amit have completely upgraded our bathroom the way it used to look. It used to be very neat and clean, no problem at all, but then we wanted to add some extra special things in our bathroom to make it look unique and different, and I am absolutely satisfied with the result and I hope you will like it too. So without further talking, let's go. So first I'll give you a tour. This is basically my bathroom door. It has an Eiffel Tower. This is a sticker basically. So once you open it, you go inside. You will see that's the geyser, this is the paint, these are the tiles, this is the bathing section. Okay, so this is the dark bathroom. Now I will switch on the light. So this is one of the light here. If you see in one glance, you will not see any change, you will not see any difference, but I will explain you one after the other what all changes have been made here. Alexa, turn on plug. See, ta-da! Hello. So this is a major change happened in the mirror counter. So this was a very big mirror we already had, right? And behind this you can see this beautiful yellow golden light coming out. We have DIY'd it. Basically this was my idea and execution was done by Amit. Here you can see me and Amit prepping up and making something ourselves. Amit is a gadget freak and he can do magic with lights, fairy lights, sellotape, a few ideas, and what awaits is sheer magic. And I will show you the left side and the right side changes as well one by one. So this you see right here is a smart switch. This is connected to Alexa. When I command Alexa to switch on or off, it does just that. And on the left side we have something very interesting. Each and every piece out here is almost DIY, guys. So I'll show you one by one. This is basically a lamp which my sister and her friend had gifted him on his birthday a few years ago, and we have finally taken it out and made it to some good use. The default mode of this smart light is white. The light here you see, it's a smart light, okay? And you can change the light color with this remote. See, it has red, orange, yellow, blue, green and everything, and whichever color I press, it will change accordingly. This is basically a plain bottle which we had lying at our home doing nothing. We just planted an artificial grass and a flower. This is a part of a shrub which I had got from Shillong, and this is a pot full of coffee beans in a L'Oreal old jar where I have painted it. A very smart DIY. All these four things which you see here is the lid of each and every L'Oreal cream which we had at home. So those were all finished off. So we used these caps, stick it to each other, made a drill in between for the stem to go in, and then added this flower here. This is a gift piece. This is an old gift piece I already had at home. The flower vase was at home. This flower vase along with this rose. This is a glass rose basically. This Amit had gifted me during our courtship period. This is very special, so it stays put right here. These are all artificial elements. Then this is a bottle. This was basically a wine bottle which we have decorated it with paint and put a flower here. It looks spectacular. So this is basically the left part of the counter. Here is an adjustable mirror, you can see. Amit usually uses this for shaving his beard, and then I also use it for my makeup. For putting my eyelashes, I use this part. This is available on Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. Moving on to the right side. This right side is super special because this is mostly done by me. Ta-da! So this fairy light out here is battery operated. This one is the switch, so I can switch it off, and again I can switch it on. This is also this dainty little thing here, and this is also a shrub which we got from Shillong. If you have seen my Shillong part 1 video, you would know. This is a light which lights like this and can be added here in the candle stand, and this shrub above it. This is a pineapple which I had got from Germany, a store called, a very funny name. Then this is the makeup wipes which I use on a daily basis when I go to work. This is again a coffee bean spot with an artificial planter like this sweet one. I had got it from AliExpress. Let me know you guys want to have a AliExpress haul video too. Then this is a bottle which we made recently for this project specially. It is all encircled with fairy lights. Then this one here, right here. This one right here is a plain glass jar which I have filled with unique looking stones, white and gem looking stones with a silver lid. This one looks exquisite in my opinion. Then this one right here is also a old L'Oreal jar which we have painted in blue, white, blue and filled some stone chips and artificial grass. These are 2 of my serums which I use on a daily basis. Then this is also a DIY project. This is an old Keventer's bottle. Here is only pure water filled inside, and these are done by glass paint. This is beautiful in this light, right? This is a jar. I used to use this previously for my wet wipes. Now it has been replaced with stone pebbles. You can see there are multiple color of stone pebbles in here, and there are multiple stone pebbles in here, and this looks spectacular, adds so much color to the entire setup. And of course the fairy lights adding to so much of glam. And this is the ambient mirror again, and this is how my bathroom counter looks like. Forgot to show you my little cute hand towel which I had got from Miniso. This is a pink color matching to the tiles of the bathroom. This is an old Vichy bottle of face wash which we use for our hand wash. Hand wash is filled inside here. So this is the condition of the right side of my bathroom counter. I want to get rid of all this and put it in my cabinet right here. And my left corner is already ready, and I'm going to show you that in a bit. But right now I have to clean this mess and get back. That is all what we keep in this counter area. Nothing else is kept here. Everything goes in here. This is a cabinet where we keep all our essentials, and basically this is it. This is my bath section. This is the shower. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you with more such interesting videos in the next week, next episode. Till then, take care and keep watching my old videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye.